So FeiLix has just sent me these artificial branches for me to review for you, and I really like them. They provide just the right touch for my dining area. They look very realistic. So you can see here, these are a 43-inch long branch with greenery, obviously. They're faux olive branches, and they're great for putting in your vases. They look great. You can bend them whatever direction you want. Of course, the more you bend them, the more realistic they look. So they come nicely packaged, this plastic bag, with a Velcro strap around it, so I can always use that later on. And I just chose how long I want the branches to be, so I kind of compared it against the vase that I'm using. And then I'm just bending up the bottom of the branches so that they are the height that I want for my space. So you can see that even though these branches are really long, 43 inches, that is so you can make them be as long as you want. Basically, you can shorten them. It's easier to shorten a long branch than to have short branches and not be able to get them any longer. So this was great. It's great to be able to use them in different flower arrangements as well. So this looks great in the kitchen, but I could also use it in my dining room, in my living room. I could have them in the office. They're just beautiful. I think you'll like them.